We got GMC Yukon. We would like to remove this headlight. Well, this headlight has couple points where it's attached to the body of the vehicle. One is over here, one is over there, one is right behind this bumper cover as well, right below this part here, and I believe there should be one over here. So first we want to remove this plastic here. We can do it easily by pulling this clips off like this. And now we have to lift this cover off. This here is 10mm bolt. So for the next step, we're gonna have to take this one off as well. So now my next step is to remove this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Here's the trick. It's got a little clip here. All you have to do is just lift it a little bit like this in the air and pull it right there. All right, there we go. I'm right now underneath the car and remove this screw here. And there's one over here that holding the bumper cover to the reinforcement bar. And also there's one over here and also 1, 2 over there. So everything is 10mm bolts. Let me just show it to you. There are a couple screws right here. There's one over there. And a few more down here. You want to take them off as well, so you can lift this liner off and get access behind the screws that are holding this bumper cover. For that purpose, you're gonna need 7mm wrench. There is one screw right behind here. It's a 7mm that needs to come off in order for you to be able to pull the bumper out. So now, since we can move the bumper out of the way, we can now access this little screw. So we removed the bolt right here. We removed it. Now we have one last bolt that has to be removed in order for this headlight to come out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's black in the color. So we're gonna have to take that one off as well. So now, once we get the screws off, you can see that this light will basically just slide out. Now you want to go ahead and disconnect the light. All right, and we're all done.